Hey guys, welcome to Dr. B's Science World. Today we are going to be looking at something super important, conversion factors. We're looking at the metric conversion factors. So we're going to first look at units of length. Okay, and with the units of length, we're going to look at 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. 1 yard equals 3 feet, and 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers. I'm going to give you just a second to write that down. You know, this is recorded, so you can always go back and forth as needed and rewind as needed. Okay, moving on along. Then we're going to look at units of volume. Those are two that we'll be using quite a bit, length and volume. So I want to make sure you know that. Units of volume. For this one, we're going to have 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. 1 cubic meter equals 1,000 liters. And 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter. Go ahead and get that copied down. This is all going to help you as you work on your prep work for this week. Okay? Remember, you can always rewind if you need to, but we're going to move ahead. Okay, so I want to look at a problem, and this is going to be one about length. Let's say we have 820 centimeters, and we want to find out how many meters that is. So we need to think about our conversion factor that we just learned about. Centimeters and meters, the one would be 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Okay, so then we're going to just do a math problem. It's always important to rewrite what you already know. You know that 820 centimeters goes here. We are solving for meter. We want to find out how many meters. Because we have centimeters up here, we need to have centimeters down here. So in our conversion factor, we would put our centimeters down here. That means our meter goes up here. We have centimeter, centimeter. That means that this will cancel out. And now this is going to be the unit we're working with. So now we have 820 meters divided by 100. And when we do that problem, we find that our answer is 8.2 meters. So 820 centimeters equals 8.2 meters. Okay? Let's do one with volume now. Okay? One with volume. So we're looking at 255 milliliters, and we want to know how many liters that makes. Okay, so we need to look at our conversion factor. And when we have liters and milliliters, we're looking at 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So we have simple math again. 200, we write down what we know, 255 milliliters, and we're going to have this conversion factor from over here. We're going to put it over here. Because we have milliliters up here, we're going to need to have milliliters right here. So that milliliters is the 1,000. And that means this is going to go over here, 1 liter. Just like before, our milliliters, they're going to cancel out. So I'd like to make that so you can see that real easily. Then we have 255 liters over 1,000. And when we do that math problem, we find that we get a 0.255 liters is our answer. Just, it's all about math, but you have to understand your conversion factors in order to make it work. So you're going to have a couple problems to try on your own on your prep work this week for this particular session, and I'm sure you'll do great. Remember, if you need to stop by, tutoring is Monday through Thursday at 1 p.m. I look forward to seeing you at Dr. B Science World. Have a great day.